Hi guys,
welcome
और welcome back to our channel
Unicorn
Diaries
I am Anju.
and I'm Granthali. So guys, आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज हम लोग बाहर का वीडियो कर रहे हैं. So today we are going to explore Maladwala market.
It is also known as Nataraj Market.
Yes.
So we are heading towards Nataraj Market today and we will show you
The market around and क्या क्या है क्योंकि शादी का सीज़न आ रहा है. So guys, specially इसीलिए हम लोग ये वीडियो कर रहे हैं so that you guys would see the collection out there. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Let's start. It is easy to reach Nataraj Market. You can reach there by train, bus or any mean of transport. But we would suggest कि ट्रेन से ज़्यादा convenient होगा. जैसे आप मलाड स्टेशन पहुँचते हो, you can see मिठाई वाला and the market starts from there itself. You can see the street vendors selling shoes from starting rupees 350 and jewelry, wallets, bags, purses, slings, etc. Also, as you can see, this vendor had many ranges and more variety to it. As you can see, this cute little wallet was just for rupees 100.
Now starting with the main Nataraj market. As you enter this lane, there are small street shops on both the sides. You can get anything and everything here. You name it and you will get it. Starting from bangles, earrings, sandals. As this vendor had many varieties to offer, starting from rupees 250. But you can have a good bargaining skills. You can bring it up to 150 rupees. So moving on to this lady, she had beautiful blouses starting from rupees 450, but after bargaining they were ready to give it for 300 or 350 rupees. As you can see, she has different colors, designs.
Also, this market had many beautiful accessories to offer, including earrings starting from rupees 100. As you can see, there is wide variety of earrings from traditional to western wear, including jhumkas, diamond earrings and mangtikas.
So now the main part for which this market is known and famous for, that is its lehenga, saris, western gowns at a very affordable rate. Every vendor had something or the other new to offer. At the start, the vendor will quote very high prices, but there is a quick bargaining tip. The lehenga he showed us was quoted at rupees 6,000, but after bargaining he came up to rupees 3,000. You could just bring half the price down or 75% of it, depending on your bargaining skills.
Now you can see this beautiful sari which you can carry in parties or reception. This was just for rupees 2,000. This beautiful Rajasthani lehenga was hand stitched. I think this was the most expensive lehenga we came across in the whole market, which he quoted for rupees 16,500. We think it was too much for a lehenga for this market, but of course you can bargain.
रेंज क्या है? 15,000 स्टार्टिंग.
जैसे मीडियम तो 2000
नहीं प्लेन कलर में होगा तो. This is shop number 98 guys.
This vendor was kind enough to show his collection. He made us try this beautiful bridal lehenga in magenta pink color. It was so gorgeous and not so heavy. It has beautiful golden work done on it.
starting rate is 1500 and this is a bridal piece. It is for 5000.
गाइस, रंथाली ने आपको बताया नहीं है पर उसकी शादी जल्दी फिक्स हो रही है। थैंक यू अंकल।
So moving on to another shop. This shop has so much to offer, starting from heavy gowns, lehengas, shararas. He had superb collection of Indo-Western clothes as well as traditional outfits. This beautiful sharara was for rupees 3000 only. Then there was this beautiful lehenga which stole our heart, which we couldn't get our eyes from. It was ready-made piece for rupees 3500. The quality of this skirt was so good, and also the skirt had 2 layers and it was of georgette material. He was kind enough to show more varieties. You can already see how pretty this lehenga was. The frills of the skirt made this outfit more beautiful and elegant. Also, this blouse was ready-made, which had diamond work on it. It was also for rupees 3500 only. He also had similar one in simple type, as you can see, which retails for rupees 3500.
It has more 2 colors. This one became our favorite from his collection. We really want to thank this uncle for being so kind, cooperative and supportive. Also, his shop number is 75 and 76. Do check out their collection.
थैंक यू अंकल, ये अंकल बहुत अच्छे थे गाइस। थैंक यू, या थैंक यू।
So now moving on to the sari collection in Nataraj Market. It has wide range and collection of bridal saris starting for rupees 2000 only.
कितने का है ये?
4500।
क्या स्टार्टिंग है आपके पास? और ब्राइडल का? कितने का है?
ये 9500।
ये ब्राइडल है क्या?
This beautiful pink sari was just for rupees 6500 only. Also, this beautiful sari of velvet material was just for rupees 2500.
And also it had many more colors to choose from. Except from traditional lehengas and saris, this market has much more to offer. That is, it also has jeans tops starting from rupees 100. They also had wide range of western wears that includes jumpsuit, one piece, gowns, etc. So guys, this was it for this video. We hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Unicorn Diaries. Until then, stay humble, work hard and be kind. Bye guys.